Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage, and in my previous video I mentioned that I was going to talk about the amazing goodies that were in our goodie bag when we went for the Creativity Decoded event. It was really amazing, and they gave us this goodie bag. So in the goodie bag, we have a notepad. Now this notepad was amazing. It's just so pretty. So I love this one. It has the hashtag creativity decoded on it and YouTube shorts. So next up, we had a pen. This was what was given to us when we entered. And when we were going out, we got this flask. Like, I watched videos of people who collected the flask in the last in-person event. I couldn't attend for personal reasons, but this time they actually gave me my own YouTube flask. It has this temperature checker or something, these numbers that show, like, tells you how hot it is or how cold it is, I think. And yes, that's what was in my goodie bag. I love it. YouTube, thank you so much. I love my goodie bag. And yes, they sent me a surprise package. I'm going to show you guys what's inside in another video. I don't want this one to be too long. Watch out for the next video. I'm going to post it probably today or tomorrow, so you guys should watch out for it. So it's a surprise package from YouTube, and guys, what I got was really a surprise. You guys need to see it. You need to see it. So subscribe so you can get notified whenever I post anything. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night, wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.